Hey guys, welcome to my channel called Tech. Today I'll show you how to replace the display. Is Acer Aspire 3 laptop. You can see it's broken. The display is front side. It's damaged from inside. So now I will show you how to replace this new model slim LED small pin display. How to change? First you have to shut down your laptop, and then see here is the new display. It's very slim and small pin. So guys, first you have to open this frame front side. You have to remove this very carefully. See, it's remove it. Now you can see here is the three both of sides 6 screw, and here is 2 screw. You have to remove this all screw. So for this you need a screwdriver. Remove this bolt. See guys, now it's open and you have to remove. So you have to remove this sticker. Remove this carefully, and you can see this both of sides have 2 steel. There's no screw here. You have to remove this 2 steel by heat hot air, or you can remove by hand. So I use the hot air and show you how to remove. Okay guys, now you can see side have some glue, so you have to remove it carefully. See guys, this glue is very strong, so you have to heat up very properly and you can remove it. So it's done. That is my new display. Before I use that steel, first I connect and check is display working perfectly or no. Okay, connect this small pin. Now I check. Press the power button. See guys, display is working. So now I will close this by the tape and have my 2 steel. I have to use some double face sticker. So guys, I have this double face sticker and I put this here. So guys, I have to remove this sticker. So guys, here you see it's working. So now I will return back. Okay guys, now I put that steel upside for display. So this it was here. So as you have to turn back this screw, both of side 3 screw, so also this side 3 screw. This is screw for display and for display hand. So I have to return this two screw here front side. So return this Wi-Fi cable. Okay guys, before we close, to remove this sticker from display. And finally done, we return this front plastic film. See guys, it's not look like I have to change the display. Once again, check. So guys, you can see it's working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.